How to unlock a Snapchat account. So, if your Snapchat account has been temporarily or permanently locked, then today I will show you some of the way in order to unlock those issue and unlock your Snapchat account as well. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you will get the idea how to unlock a Snapchat account and fix the issue. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open any preferred browser on your device. Once you open it on the web address bar, just type in Snapchat support. And as you can see, we have came across this result section where you will see the first site of Snapchat support. So tap on this official site of Snapchat support. Now here you will see shortcuts. On this shortcut, just select my account is compromised option. Once you reach on the submit a request page, select I can't access my account option and then again select my account is locked. Once done, now on this page select I can access my account. Now again select my account is locked and here you will see locked option which is highlighted in purple. Select it. So your account might be locked due to variety of reasons. Just you have to select my account was temporarily locked. And here are the few description and the steps as well. So if you see a message in the Snapchat app that your account has been temporarily locked, you can try to unlock your account by going here, logging in and then selecting unlock. So if this method does not unlock your account, you have to wait for 48 hours, then try login it. So let's select here. Now you have to log into your Snapchat account, enter the username or you can also use phone number instead and select next button. Once you have entered it, enter the password as well and select the next button. Now you have to confirm that it's you. So open the mail and you have to confirm that it's you. So once you get logged in, you will see the unlock button. Simply tap on it and your account will be successfully unlocked. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.